Start your academic adventure in London with Bernard Myers, where modern luxury seamlessly integrates with student life. Select from a variety of chic accommodations, including stylish studios and spacious en-suites, all designed to cater to your preferences. Each room provides generous space and a cozy bed, ensuring your stay is restful and rejuvenating. But there's so much more. Enjoy peace of mind with all bills included: water, gas, electricity, and Wi-Fi, allowing for hassle-free budgeting. Take advantage of common amenities like cycle storage and laundry facilities, and feel secure with an on-site management team and dedicated security personnel available around the clock. Ideally situated near prestigious institutions like University of the Arts, Camberwell Campus, and the Camberwell College of Arts Foundation Center, Bernard Myers offers an unparalleled student living experience. Indulge in local dining at trendy spots like NH24, grab a quick caffeine fix at Tag's Coffee Co., or stock up on essentials at the nearby Nisa Local. Plus, the public transport just a short stroll away, discovering London is as easy as can be. Eager to experience the dynamic lifestyle London has to offer? Head to amberstudent.com to secure your ideal accommodation at Bernard Myers today.